morals. In morals, today we are going to do another chapter that is a different Diwali. So let me brief you about the story. Different Diwali means in Diwali, what we do? We usually buy new clothes for ourselves, we burst crackers, we put lightings. Yes, here the author is trying to say that in every Diwali, we spend money for only ourselves, on ourselves. We buy clothes for ourselves, we buy sweets to eat, we only eat the sweets, then we buy crackers to burst, we buy lightning to decorate our house. So we do everything for ourselves. Now this time this lesson is saying a different Diwali. Different means let's try something else. Every time in Diwali we make ourselves happy. This time let's try to make somebody else happy. So same thing happens in this story. What happens? There is a little girl called Drishti. She was very happy when Diwali was round the corner. She was very excited. She had new clothes, she had new footwears, then she had so many sweets to eat. Her mother was preparing different types of dishes, and she was also very excited to buy crackers. So on the Diwali day, she asked her mother to give her money. Yes, who is interrupting in between? Page number 32, a different Diwali we are talking about. So this time what happened? She she got very much excited, and when she went to her mother and asked money to buy crackers. Now she was very fond of bursting crackers. New clothes she already had, new shoes she already had, dishes her mother was already preparing. She was very happy for Diwali. And she said, Mother, please give me some money. I'm going to go and buy crackers. Listen to the story first. You'll read the lesson later on. Then she asked her mother to give some money and she is going to buy some crackers to burst them in the evening. Her mother said, Okay, I'm giving you money, but don't go far away. Just go in the nearby shop and buy few crackers of your own choice, but make sure they are not bombs and all. Then her mother gave her 500 rupees and asked her to go and buy few crackers of her choice. So she was very excited, very happy. She went out of the house, and as she was going to the cracker shop, she saw one tea stall on the road. And on the tea stall, she saw a small boy. The age must be of 5 or 6 years, and he was just serving tea to everybody and washing dishes on the stall. When she saw that boy, she got very disheartened and unhappy, sad. Why? Because when she saw the boy was of same age of this little girl. She saw that this boy is working so hard and he is not wearing good clothes. He is wearing torn clothes. His hair are shabby. His look is not good, and he is very sad, working, not talking to anybody, just sitting in the corner. And whenever his that person call, he goes and serve the tea. Nothing else he was doing. So she was observing that boy, that why this boy is so sad. Then she realized, she went to that boy and then asked, What happened? Why you are so sad? Then he said, Today is Diwali and I don't have money to buy new clothes. I don't have money to buy slippers. I don't have money to buy any crackers. Then when she saw this and when she heard about this boy, her heart melts. She thought, My mother has given me money to buy crackers. Instead of buying crackers, let me help this boy. So she took this boy to a shop and she buy clothes for that boy, a shirt and a half pant, I suppose, or pant, and few a sweet she had given to him, and few crackers. So something she has buyed from, and footwear also. Yes, shoes, clothes, sweets. So she purchased these things from the shop and had given to this boy. Now this boy was very happy, but he was little hesitant also. Hesitant means he was feeling shy. He said, Why, sister, why you are doing this to me? Then she said, I already have so many things. I already have new clothes. I already have shoes. I already have sweets. But you don't have this. So I thought to help you. I listen to the story. I hope I wanted to help you so that you also celebrate Diwali in a good manner. So basically, what this chapter is telling us, this chapter is telling us that every time we spend money for ourselves only, for our things, for our clothes, for our shoes, for our sweets, for our delicacies, for our wish, but sometimes we should help others also. We should make others also feel happy. What is the meaning of festival? Festival may be Diwali, festival may be Holi, festival may be Eid, festival may be Christmas, festival may be Guru Parv. Festivals are many, but what is the motive of these festivals? The motive of these festivals is to make everybody happy. But some people are poor, they are not able to fulfill their needs. Like we read the story, the pair of slippers, you remember, where that little girl, what, Mohini, her name was Mohini, where that little girl was not having slippers also. They were so poor. So there are such poor people in the world today also. There are such kind of genuine poor people in the world whom we should help to make a Diwali a different Diwali. And we're not talking about only Diwali, we're talking about any festival of your religion, maybe Eid, maybe Christmas. So, what you do when you give something to others, for ourselves, yourself, everybody does, but when you do something for others, it gives great happiness. And then this girl went back to her mother, and mother asked, where are the crackers? Then she told her the whole story, that I saw one boy, a small little boy, and he was not wearing good clothes. His clothes were torn, not wearing shoes, and he looked very poor, shabby. So I spent money on him. I purchased him good clothes and footwears. Her mother was very happy. She said, now you are a very big girl. Now you are good girl. Now you have become such a smart and intelligent girl, sensitive girl. So that this lesson teach us that we should help others also who are in need. We should make our festival good, plus we should try to make festival good for others also. For example, in Diwali, small poor people, they sell those earthen diyas. You saw, you must have seen on the road, they sit in the road corner and they sell those earthen diyas, mitti ke diya. Okay, then what we should buy diyas from them. But what is the cost of the diya? 1 rupee, two diya, maybe. And so they are selling so cheap. Why? Because they are very poor. We should go and purchase from them so that they get some, so that they also get money, some money they get, and they also can purchase few sweets and few clothes and for their family to make festival happy. So the motive, the moral of this lesson is that we should not only think for ourselves all the time. Sometimes we should think for others also, we should help others also in the way that we can. It is not important that we should always give money only. We can give clothes, we can give food, we can give sweets, whatever you want to give. You can give your old used pencil boxes, which, but they should be in good condition. It should be not in a bad condition that the other person is not able to use only. Okay, don't messages, don't do message, please. So this is the moral. Yes, this is the moral of the story, that we should always be helpful to others, and we should always make festival good for others also. Is that clear to everybody? Story is clear? Yes. All right. So now you are going to read the story. You are going to read the story on your own, and in the next class, I'm going to ask what you read. As I dictated the story, in the next class, you all are going to dictate the story to me. All right? And one more thing, there will be no classes tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That is 29th and 30th of this month. Some festival is there, right? So, no classes tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay?